Good morning, students. Today in this session, we have to solve the problems on homogeneous differential equation. In the last session, we have already known about the method of solving homogeneous differential equation. Look at the problem. Solve 5 plus 2x whole square into d square y by dx square minus 6 into 5 plus 2x into dy by dx plus 8y is equal to 0. Consider the given equation as equation number 1. And using the method of solving a homogeneous differential equations, we have to put this 5 plus 2x as equal to e power z. Taking log on both sides, we have z is equal to log of 5 plus 2x. Then 5 plus 2x into dy by dx, we can write as this 2 into dy. Right? Here, we have take capital D as d by dz. So, therefore, we can write this term as 2 into dy. And 5 plus 2x whole square into d square y by dx square is equal to 2 square into d minus 1 into y, where d by dz is equal to d. From equation 1, by putting these terms in this equation 1, we have, look here, this 5 plus 2x square into d square y by dx square is 2 square into d minus 1 into y. Therefore, this is 2 square into d minus 1. Here y is common, taking here I take outside, so that's why minus 6 into, this is 2 into dy, therefore 2 into d plus 8 into y is equal to 0. On simplifying this term, we have 4 into d square minus 4 into d minus 12d plus 8 into y is equal to 0. 4d square minus 4d 12d, that is 16d, minus 16d plus 8 into y is equal to 0. So then dividing 4 on both sides, we have d square minus 4d plus 2 into y is equal to 0. So then the auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 2 is equal to 0. On solving these quadratic equations using the formula b minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, we have m is equal to 2 plus or minus root 2. Complementary function, we can write as these are the two real and distinct roots, therefore c1 into e power 2 plus root 2z plus c2 into e power 2 minus root 2z, and particular integral is equal to 0 because here RHS part is 0, therefore particular integral is equal to 0. Here by putting z is equal to, here we have get z is equal to log 5 plus 2x. So by putting in this complementary function this, so we have, look here, so then the complete solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So y is equal to, write the complementary functions plus particular integral is 0. So complementary function itself and a complete solution. Next, look at this. Here, so this is the solution. So by putting this z is equal to log of 5 plus 2x. So log into e, that get cancelled, we have 5 plus 2x. Into e power 2 plus root 2, because e power root 2 plus root 2 into e power z, we can write like this. So by substituting log of 5 plus 2x, e power log e and get cancelled, we have a 5 plus 2x into e power 2 plus root 2 plus c2 in the similar way 5 plus 2x into e power 2 minus 2 root 2. So move on for next problem. Solve 1 plus 2x whole square into d square y by dx square minus 6 into 1 plus 2x into dy by dx plus 16y is equal to 8 into 1 plus 2x whole square. Consider the given equation as 1. And by putting a 1 plus 2x is equal to e power z. So taking log on both sides, we have z is equal to log of 1 plus 2x. Then 1 plus 2x into dy by dx is equal to 2 into dy, and 1 plus 2x whole square into d square y by dx square is d squared d into d minus 1 into y. Here d is in the last d by dz. From equation 1, so by substituting these terms in equation 1, we can 2 square into d minus 1 minus 6 into 2 into d plus 16 into y is common. So taking outside is equal to 8 into e power 2z. E power z is 1 plus 2x. So whole square is e power 2z. On simplifying these terms, We have 4d into d minus 1 minus 12d plus 16 into y is equal to 8 into e power 2z. 4d into d means 4d square minus 4d minus 12d means minus 16d plus 16 into y is equal to 8 into e power 2z. Dividing 4 on both sides, we have d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 2 into e power 2z. So then the auxiliary equation becomes, by replacing d by m, we have m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. So we can write this one as m minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So therefore m is equal to 2 into 2. These are the real and repeated roots. So then we can write the complementary function as c1 plus c2 into z into e power 2z. So particular integral. So look here, that right hand side is here. So 1 divided by 2 d square minus 4d plus 4 into 2 into e power 2z. So using this formula, it is z. We can get z into 1 divided by 2d minus 4 into 2 power e power 2z. So particular integral is equal to z square into 1 by 2 into 2 into e power 2z. That is 2 get cancelled. We have z square into e power 2z. So particular integral. The complete solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So y is equal to complementary function is this c1 plus c2z into e power 2z plus particular integral is z square into e power 2z. So taking e power 2z as common, we have c1 plus c2z plus z square. Y is equal to 1 plus 2x whole square into c1 plus c2 into log of 1 plus 2x plus log of 1 plus 2x whole square. So this is the solution. Thank you, and these are the references. Thank you.